So now, once you get your hot glue gun all nice and hot, we're gonna layer these two like this. So we're gonna go ahead and add your glue down. And tie them in real close. Make sure they're level. And you want to formulate them where you want them, and I want them at about a 90 degree. So make sure that they stay there. If not, they'll open up and they'll spread out. So you want to keep them just right where you want them so they dry together at that same width and length. So there's our first leg. We're going to do the same thing with our second one. Now we're doing 3 legs, and then we're going to do our triangle top. So make sure they're right where you want them at 90 degree. Make sure that they stay there so they can dry right with where you want them. Don't worry about the different width. We'll take care of all that a little bit later. But as long as they're exactly about where you want them at 90 degrees. You can do them closer, you can do them longer, it doesn't really matter. But I like mine at 90 degrees, so you have a full top that you can put on. Makes a little bit more space. The closer you bring it in, then the short or the smaller space you have on top. And there we have it. We have all 4 of them, or all 3 of them, excuse me, just like this. Now we're going to go ahead and put our dowels right here. They will actually lay on top, or lay to support our top. All right. Okay, so we're going to make our top. The way we make our top is you're going to set up your legs about where you want them, how big you want the table, how short, just depends. And once you trace out your initial leg, trace out your second one, and then your finalized leg you have to trace out kind of at a strange angle, but looks like that. So we just go ahead and fan these in, bring this in, and close this up, and we got our top layer, and we can use that as a pattern for our second cutout. And then we'll make our dowels to go ahead and put in our table there. So if you got a free hand like I can, go with it. Well, something like that. You might have to make adjustments as you go, but for the time being, that's where we're at.